Hi guys, and welcome to this course on architectural visualization in Blender. This course offers a comprehensive range of lectures that includes everything you need to complete the course successfully and at your own pace. My name is Thomas, and I'm a Udemy instructor for the incredibly powerful software suite Blender. So what will you learn in this course? This course is project-based, so you get experience of the basic tools in Blender right through to the more advanced 3D modeling, lighting, and rendering techniques. We will first lay out our plans in 2D format using the great tools available in Blender. Next, we will 3D model every object in the scene. Take a look at some very useful modifiers to give our models a better look and finish. We will use the very efficient and powerful add-ons in Blender to create automatic doors, windows, and some structural elements. We UV unwrap our models using Blender's excellent mapping features. Then we explore the real-world lighting options Blender has to offer, from dynamic sky to HDRI environment textures. We then add material and textures to all our models using Blender's new PBR shader. We set up the render settings and create high-quality images. Finally, we set up cameras and render out an image sequence that we can then combine in Blender's built-in video editor to create an MP4 video. This course has it all, so jump in and start creating today, and I'll see you inside.